Come on, Fateh, start unboxing.
This is my next birthday present. Yeah.
And actually, it is for you not to touch my new iPad. Understand?
You can open it.
Be careful. Okay.
Do not tear the box, okay? Do not tear the box.
Yeah, don't tear the box. I won't tell it.
Okay.
How do I open it?
Like that, yes.
From this? Yes! No!
Here, Fateh. Put it.
Yeah, it's like gaming center, right?
Pull. Okay.
It's heavy. It's big. It's big! Don't drop it. Don't. It looks so cool.
Yes, it's like the one that you use at gaming center.
Yeah, but that's different, right?
Yeah. Better, it's better.
Here's the controller. I'm opening the controller. These are the chargers. And there is the big thing. Yeah, the PS5. There is the PS5. So big. It's so. Be careful. There's nothing. Whoa! Oh! What would?
Fateh bagus gila. Dia tanya, you don't have to buy me PS5. PS4 is also okay. Yeah, dia
Put it
bagi.
in the. Okay. Oh my! It's so cute.
It's exactly like the one that you saw at the gaming center yesterday.
I know. Mine's at Luffy's house.
Oh really? Luffy,
Yeah,
is it like this at your house?
it's
My
like this.
God.
Satu kali.
Now, can I tell that?
Okay. Now ask for Uncle Zulkman's help to install it, to fix it.
And also the inside of here is gonna be done.
Right.
Now we need to plug in
Yes, Uncle Lukman will help you.
this plug and this plug.
You do you want to say anything to your father? You want to say anything to your father?
Thank you.
Just thank you. Promise me that you will not touch my new iPad anymore.
Yes. Okay.
Promise?
Promise.
Okay, so this video is gonna be an evidence. Okay, it's gonna be a witness to the promise.
Yeah. It just looked like it looked like the same one at my house, but it's kind of dirty and stuff. Yeah.
PS4 pun putih juga? Tak. So,
So
Lutfi, are you sure you have PS5 at home?
Yeah.
Masya
I
Allah.
have two like this. I have two like this too.
Sebab Cik Wandi memang gamers.
There's custom. There's custom.
Boleh? Boleh.
I didn't play you.
So, these are the things that we have in the PS5 box. Actually, we only have one controller and I bought another one. And it's also a must for you to buy at least one CD to make the PS5 running. Without one CD, it won't be running. And it's not cheap. I paid 600 JD for all this with the additional controller and one CD. And that equals to 3,600. Without the controller, without the CD, it's 3,000 dinar.
I know where this goes.
No, it's 600 dinar, which equals to 3,000 ringgit. And because you need to make it running, you need to add 6 more hundred, so it becomes 3,600 ringgit.
1,200.
It's 600 JD, which is like 3,600. But I hope my investment is worthy because my son will never touch my new iPad again.
I opened it. You opened it? Nice. This is the this. So you can put it over here. You can put this over here. It's very
Ni apa?
Okay,
the other people.
I'll stop here. Extension bawah tu.